This is now the update on the restoration of the KDK FM2033. So as you can see, I've now painted the covers, and also I have tightened the SO239 nut at the back. Alright, so I got me a mic, and let's try to test the power output. So it's at low setting. Five watts. And on the high setting should give me about 25 watts. There you go. Now let's check the audio. Hello, mic test, mic test. Mic test, mic test. Hello, audio check, audio check, 1 2 1 2. So the frequency is spot on. So on the alignment, I didn't do much apart from adjusting the correct power levels for the low and the high. With regards to the display, I've checked the bulbs, and both of them, the left and the right, are still working. It's just not giving enough light to the LCD. So probably that would be a later update in the future, but for now it's working perfectly. So yeah, here's another vintage radio restored. Thanks for watching.